Hello, welcome to Kühlungsborn. It's at the Baltic Sea. Come in. I will show you my beautiful apartment. So I already expected you because I have everything on my video camera, and I can tell you right now it's 2 degrees Celsius, so pretty cold. What I really love is this little bag, because the bread in the morning, the fresh bread is in there. They give it to you, and that's perfect. But before I show you the main part, let me show you one of the rooms, the bedrooms. It looks so pretty. But then, this is the main room. And the most beautiful view you can imagine. So I really love to sit here and take a look outside and watch the people going by. Well, they also watch me, I don't know why. But yeah, you can see the pier, the harbor, and it's so beautiful. So if you like to relax a little bit more, you can take the sofa. So if you want, you can take a seat next to me. And yeah, you can also sit here and drink your cup of coffee or tea and watch the people. So some of you might have already known this place from my Instagram live account, because I did some videos here. If not, you should follow me on Instagram at vanessa.pur. But if you don't do live videos, you can also sit here and read a nice book and drink your tea or coffee again. So the last part of this room is the meeting area, the dining table, the kitchen. So I really love this spot. So I guess this is the big difference. If you have a luxury apartment, you have everything fully equipped. From perfect glasses and dishes. Some more over here. But also the little things like salt and pepper, or you have your knives and forks, for example, or even if you want to do something in the oven, you have everything. And maybe also a cake. I really thought about it, but no, this time not. And you also have coffee, which is normally not included, so really perfect service. Also water. Maybe I will show you where you get the water. So time to show you one of the terraces. You have 2 which look the same, but this time I will show you this one, because in the last video I showed you the other one. So, and this is the beautiful view. You have the harbor, and they have restaurants and shops over there, and a more nature looking beach, and over there is the big beach and the pier, and it just looks beautiful. It's like direct beach access. Direct beach access. But the terrace is much larger, so everything you see over here is still my terrace. So enough space, and on the other side there's a little typical beach sitting area, which is really typical for this area. So, and if you look over there, the house, it looks the same like my house. So this was my apartment, and after showing you the apartment, I had to go outside and take a look at the beaches, the pier, and a beautiful restaurant with perfect Currywurst. But take a look for yourself.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now.
So I just walked a little bit at the beach, and it looks beautiful, but it's cold, and that's why I will take a look at this Edel and Scharf, it's called, restaurant, and they should have the best Currywurst. let's try it.
I'm gonna make a mistake. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down.
So the currywurst was so delicious. And now it's time for hot chocolate. With this view, amazing. So it looks so delicious. They gave me this cake. So, do you want something? So let me show you the map of Kühlungsborn, it's called. This is the beach. This is where we are right now. This is the pier, Seebrücke. And this is the harbor. And that's my house.
Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
And if you have an apartment, you have to cook for yourself, most times if you don't want to go every day to a restaurant. And I love cooking, so I had to go to the grocery store and buy some food. The problem is that I have to go to the sweet department because I love it. I love the liquor there, and they had so much ice cream. And yeah, I just love it. But I just bought a cake for the oven, a hot cake, an apple cake. It's called Apfelstrudel in Germany.
This town. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
And I really enjoyed the sunset at the beach. I choose the beach after the harbor. It's a little bit natural beach with a lot of rocks and cliffs, and it was just beautiful. And the water quality is perfect. So if you ever want to go to Germany and do a vacation at the coastline at Germany, go there.
Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be some.
But there's so much more I wanted to show you. The whole surrounding of this area, the beautiful spots, and also me being at the beach a little bit. So follow my account and give me a thumbs up if you want to see more of me. So see you soon.